It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The school bell rings. This is Mia's favorite sound in the whole day. It means school is finished. It means going home. It means snacks. Mia loves snacks. Mia Carter is 7 years old. She is in 2nd grade. Her school is called Sunny Pines Elementary. It is a good school. The teachers are kind. The classrooms are bright and colorful. But right now, school is finished, and Mia is standing outside the main doors with her backpack. She is waiting. All the other children are leaving. Moms are arriving. Dads are arriving. School buses are leaving. Mia watches them go. She is still waiting. 5 minutes pass, then 10 minutes. The other children are gone now. The car park is almost empty. Mia looks left. She looks right. She looks at the road. No dad. Now this morning was a little confusing in the Carter house. Tom, that is the dad, had a big meeting at work today. A very important meeting. He was nervous about it all week. Linda, that is the mom, had a dentist appointment at 2:30. She told Tom about it on Monday. She reminded him on Tuesday. She sent him a text message on Wednesday. Tom said yes. Tom said of course. Tom said he would pick up Mia. But then Tom's meeting ran late, and Tom's phone was on silent, and Tom drove home thinking about his meeting. He walked through the front door. He made a cup of coffee. He sat down, and then Linda walked in from her dentist appointment. They looked at each other. They both said the same word at exactly the same time. MIA. Meanwhile, at Sunny Pines Elementary, Mia is still waiting. The car park is now completely empty. A teacher walks past. She smiles at Mia. She goes back inside. Mia sits down on the steps. She puts her backpack on her lap. She looks at the road. She counts the cars that go past. 1, 2, 3. None of them are Dad's car. Mia is not panicking. Not yet. But she is thinking very hard. She remembers what Mom always says. If something goes wrong, find a grown-up you trust. A teacher, a school worker, someone in a uniform. Mia picks up her backpack. She stands up. She goes back inside the school. This is a very smart decision. The school office is just inside the main doors. Through the glass window, Mia can see a woman sitting at a big desk. Her name is Mrs. Rivera. She is the school secretary. She has worked at Sunny Pines Elementary for 11 years. Mrs. Rivera has seen many things in 11 years. Lost permission slips, children who forgot their lunch, teachers who locked themselves out of classrooms. But her favorite part of the job is the children. She is very good with children. She looks up and sees Mia standing at the office window. She knows immediately. She has seen this look before. It is the look of a child whose ride did not come. Mrs. Rivera opens the door. She smiles. She speaks calmly. Inside the Carter house, Tom is already in the car. He is driving very fast. Well, he is driving at the speed limit, but he feels like he is driving very fast. Linda is calling the school from her phone. Sam is sitting in the back seat. He does not fully understand what is happening, but he can feel the energy in the car. He puts his phone away without being asked. That is how serious this is. Back at the school, Mia is sitting in the office. Mrs. Rivera has given her a small cup of water and a biscuit from her desk drawer. Mrs. Rivera has a drawer full of biscuits. This is one of the reasons children love her. Mia tells Mrs. Rivera about her family. She tells her about Sam. She tells her about the Lost in Florida trip. She tells her about Pingu the penguin. Mrs. Rivera listens to every word. She asks questions. She laughs at the right moments. This is exactly what Mia needs right now. The school phone rings. It is Linda. Mrs. Rivera tells her Mia is safe and sitting in the office eating a biscuit. Linda makes a sound that is somewhere between crying and laughing. Tom pulls into the school car park. He runs to the front door. This is the fastest Tom has moved in several years. He sees Mia through the office window. Mia sees him. For a moment, neither of them speaks. Then Mia raises one eyebrow. She learned that from Sam. It is a very good eyebrow raise. Tom deserves it. He pushes open the office door. He kneels down. He hugs Mia for a long time. Mrs. Rivera watches from her desk. She has seen this moment many times too. It is still her favorite. After the hug, Tom stands up. He thanks Mrs. Rivera. He apologizes to Mia. He apologizes again. He tries to explain. Mia listens. She is 7 years old. But in this moment, she feels much older. She has a few things to say. Tom listens. Every word. Mrs. Rivera pretends to look at her computer, but she is smiling. They walk out to the car together. Tom carries Mia's backpack. Mia walks beside him. In the car, Linda is on the phone. She asks to speak to Mia first. Mia tells her everything, every detail, the waiting, the empty car park, the office, the biscuit, Mrs. Rivera's biscuit drawer. Linda says she is so proud of Mia. She says Mia did everything right. Sam says that Dad's going to be in so much trouble when they get home. Tom says nothing. Tom knows Sam is right. That evening, the Carter family eats dinner together. It is a little quieter than usual. After dinner, Mia gets to choose the TV program. This is her reward. She chooses something Sam does not like. She knows this. She looks at Sam while she chooses it. Sam looks at Dad. Dad looks at the ceiling. Later that night, Mia is in bed. Mom comes to say goodnight. Mia asks if Dad is sorry. Mom says yes. Very sorry. Mia says she knows. She could tell. Mom asks how she could tell. Mia says because he let her choose the TV program without complaining. That never happens. Mom laughs. She kisses Mia on the forehead. She turns off the light. Mia looks at the ceiling in the dark. Today was a strange day. A little scary, but she handled it. She found a grown-up. She stayed calm. She waited. And she got to choose the TV program. Not a bad day. Not bad at all.
The bell. Yes. Bye, Emma. See you tomorrow. Dad is coming today. He said so. He is probably stuck in traffic. He will be here soon. Maybe 1 more minute. Okay. Maybe 2 more minutes. Where is everyone? Okay. I need to think. Mum says, find a grown-up you trust. Mrs. Rivera is in the office. She is nice. I will go to Mrs. Rivera. Excuse me? Mrs. Rivera? My dad did not come. I waited outside. For a long time. Everyone else went home. I don't know. He said he would come today. Yes, please. Thank you. His name is Tom Carter. My name is Mia Carter. Our phone number? I don't know the number. Oh, I know Mum's number. Mum always makes me remember her number. It is 077. Wait, let me think. 0774. No, I know it. I just need to think slowly. 0, 7, 7, 4, 3, 2, 6, 8, 1, 4. Yes, I think that is right. Thank you, Mrs. Rivera. This biscuit is very good. We went to Florida. It was very exciting. My sister got lost. Actually, I got lost. In a different story, yes. We found a penguin too. His name was Pingu. He had a blue scarf with stars. We had to give him back. To other penguins, I cried. But it was the right thing. Mrs. Rivera, can I ask you something? How long have you worked here? 11 years is a very long time. Do you like it? What is the funniest thing that ever happened here? A teacher locked himself out? Which teacher? Was it Mr. Patterson? I knew it. He always looks confused. Dad! I waited a long time, Dad. Everyone went home. The car park was empty. I am okay. Mrs. Rivera looked after me. She gave me a biscuit from her special drawer. Dad, I need to say something. You forgot me. I know it was an accident, but I was outside, alone, for a long time. It felt like a very long time. Next time you need to write it down, or put it in your phone, or tell Sam to remind you. 3 reminders, Dad. That is the rule now. Okay. Yes, I forgive you, but I am choosing the TV tonight. No, Sam, I am choosing. Dad said yes already. Mom, I am okay. I went to Mrs. Rivera in the office. Like you said, find a grown-up you trust. She has a whole drawer of biscuits, Mom. A whole drawer. Can we do that at home? Dad is sorry, I can tell, because he let me choose the TV without complaining. That means he is really, really sorry. I want to watch my program now. Yes, Sam, I know you don't like it. That is the point.
Morning, everyone. Big day today. Big meeting. I know. I will pick up Mia, 3 o'clock. I have it. Yes, Linda, I heard you. Dentist at 2:30. I will get Mia, no problem. Good morning, team. Let's get started. Sorry, can we just pause? My phone is off. Where were we? Right? Yes. Good meeting, everyone. Good work. Right? Home. Coffee. Meeting went well, actually. Linda, you're back early. Wait. Dentist. MIA. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm going right now. Sam, get in the car. Now. I'll explain on the way. Come on. Green light, please. I'm parking. Tell Linda I'm here. Mia, sweetheart, I'm so sorry. I forgot. I know. There is no excuse. The meeting ran late. My phone was on silent. I drove home without thinking. I know that is not good enough. Mrs. Rivera, thank you. Truly, thank you for looking after her. She is wonderful. We know. We are very lucky. Mia, I am sorry. I am really sorry. I am going to put a reminder in my phone right now. 3 reminders. You are right. Yes, you can choose the TV tonight. Anything you want. Sam, not a word. Hi, Linda. Yes, she's here. She's safe. She's fine. She handled it better than I did, honestly. Yes, I know. We'll talk at home. Sam, please stop laughing. Mia did everything right today. She went to the office. She stayed calm. She is smarter than me. She is definitely smarter than me.
Tom, Mia, Maya, call the school. I'm calling the school now. Hello, this is Linda Carter. My daughter is Mia Carter, 2nd grade. Has anyone? Is she? Oh, thank goodness. Can I speak to her, please? Mia, baby, are you okay? You went to Mrs. Rivera? By yourself? That is exactly right. That is exactly what I told you to do. I am so proud of you. A biscuit drawer? A whole drawer? Okay, Dad is almost there. I'll see you at home, sweetheart. Tom, she is in the office. She is absolutely fine. She went straight to the secretary. She remembered what I told her. We'll talk later. Just get her home. Mia. Oh, come here. You were so brave today. You did everything right. Find a grown-up. Stay inside. Wait. Are you sure you are okay? Good. Sam, stop laughing at your father. Tom, we are going to have a very big conversation tonight. But first, yes, Mia, you can choose dinner too, because you deserve it.
Why are we rushing? What happened? Wait. Dad forgot Mia? At school? Dad. How do you forget a whole person? I'm just saying. She is 7. She is not small. She has a big backpack. She is very loud normally. I'm getting in the car. I'm getting in. I'm not laughing. I'm a little bit laughing. Dad, do you want me to set a reminder for you? On your phone? I can do that. Dad, I am trying to help. Mia, are you okay? Dad forgot you. Like completely forgot. I know. It's unbelievable. So what did you do? Did you just wait? You went to the office? By yourself? That was actually really smart, Mia. Don't tell her I said that. Did they give you food? What food? A biscuit drawer. There is a secret biscuit drawer at school and I never knew about this. I have been going to this school for 3 years. 3 years of no biscuits. Mia, you are choosing the TV tonight, aren't you? Of course you are. Fine. Dad owes you. Dad owes all of us, actually. This was very stressful for me.
Oh, hello there. Come in. What is your name, sweetheart? And what is the matter, Mia? Oh, I see. And how long were you waiting outside? That is quite a long time. Okay, don't worry. You did the right thing coming inside. Do you know your dad's phone number? That is okay. Do you know your mom's number? Take your time. There is no hurry. Well done. That is very good remembering. I will call her right now. You sit here. And here, a biscuit. My special emergency biscuit. You just wait there. I will sort everything out. Yes, hello. Is this Linda Carter? This is Mrs. Rivera from Sunny Pines Elementary. Mia is here with me in the office. She is perfectly safe and eating a biscuit. Yes. Yes, of course. I'll let her know. Mia, your mom says she is very proud of you, and your dad is on his way. Now, while we wait, tell me something. You seem like someone with interesting stories. Florida, how wonderful. A penguin in a grocery bag? Oh my goodness. What happened next? She sounds like a very brave little girl. That Mia. Oh wait, that is you. Oh, how wonderful. Mr. Carter. Hello, I'm Mrs. Rivera. Your daughter has been telling me about penguins. She is a remarkable little girl. She came straight to the office. She stayed calm. She gave me her mother's phone number from memory. You should be very proud. Of course, anytime. Mia, it was lovely to meet you. You're welcome in this office anytime, even when nobody forgets you. Goodbye, sweetheart. Well done today.
Okay, everyone, pack up your bags. School is finished. Great work today, everyone. See you tomorrow. Mia, have a good afternoon. Oh, Mia, are you still here? Is everything okay? Is someone coming to pick you up? Okay, do you want to wait inside? It is quite hot out here. You know what? Let's go to the office together. Mrs. Rivera will help. Come on, this way. Mrs. Rivera, this is Mia Carter. She is waiting for a pickup. Can you help her? Perfect. Mia, you are in good hands. Bye, Mia. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Mia. See you tomorrow. Is your dad coming? My mum is already here. I can see her car. Do you want to wait with me? Okay. Bye, Mia. Oh, wait. Mia, is everything okay? My mum says we can wait with you for a few minutes. It is okay. Dads are sometimes late. My dad once forgot to pick up my brother. He waited for 40 minutes. Then Dad drove past him on the road and saw him walking home. Your dad will come. Don't worry. Oh, my mum is waving. I have to go. Bye, Mia. Text me later.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily English.